Today we have a video from Real Body Cams, and the title of the video is "A Free Cup of Water, That's All This Was Over."
On July 20th, 2025, deputies in Florida responded to a local restaurant after the owner called for help, reporting a woman was attempting to steal money from his store. When deputies arrived, they met with the owner, who immediately stated he wanted the woman trespassed and removed from his business. Here's what the deputies did next.
The lady asked me to give the bottle of water.
Okay.
And said I'm saving. We sell the water like $1.
Yeah.
And she said she don't have it, and she's still.
Where is she?
Still inside. I asked her to leave.
Do you want her trespassed?
Yes, I want her to leave because she wants to steal the money.
Oh. Hi. What's going on?
I was asking for like a free cup of water, but I had to wait for the owner.
Okay, maybe there was a miscommunication. He said that they sell the water for $1.
There's no miscommunication. I just wanted a cup of water.
Are you willing to provide her with a cup of water?
No, we don't have. We don't have pot of water. The tap water.
I'm telling you, if they want to go to public or different, they have tap water like this.
Okay, so they don't give cups of water, so they want you to leave.
Well, it's paper, and I wanted plastic, and I just. I wanted a plastic cup, I guess.
Okay.
Glass would be nice. I really like it when it's glass.
Okay, but they don't, unless you're gonna pay for it, they don't sell that here. And it sounds like right now they're just gonna refuse service to you, period. So you need to get up and you need to leave.
Okay.
And there's Publix will give you water if you go in and ask. They have a fountain by the deli. Don't steal it, but if you go in and be like, hey.
Okay.
Okay?
Right.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So are you gonna get up and leave?
Probably not.
Okay, then you're gonna be arrested for trespassing.
Why would I be arrested?
Sir, tell her that she's not allowed back here for a year, if that's what you want.
Yeah, I want to ask her to leave.
Okay,
But why did you ask?
he's asking you to leave. Are you gonna leave?
Will you tell me why?
Ma'am, are you going to leave?
Will you tell me why?
Because he's refusing you service. Are you going to leave?
I didn't ask for something.
He's refusing to serve you. He's refusing to give you water. Are you going to leave?
No.
Okay, stand up. You're under arrest. Stand up. Yeah. 2 William 21 10 15 white female. Yeah. Nope.
Okay.
You get there, 43. Thanks.
This is probably one of the dumbest arrests I've ever seen. You going in there asking for a cup of water, they're not giving you no water. Pay for it. Just like everybody else. Why don't you pay for it? Everybody else that goes in there wants a bottle of water or whatever. Pay for it. You ain't got the money, well, take your happy ass somewhere else.
No, absolutely. Can I just get either one of y'all's information, like name, you guys have like ID or anything?
ID?
Yeah, just someone who has ID.
Yeah, fine.
Gotcha. Are you the store owner?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
You know,
What's a good phone number for you?
she tried
She will take money.
all the money.
Gotcha. Did she
Yeah.
take any of it or not?
No.
Because I take all of inside right now.
Gotcha.
This is so dumb.
That's all right. I can steal.
What are you on? You use
Right.
drugs?
Sometimes.
Yeah. This is a bad trip for you.
I know.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Sit down, please.
Where?
Oops. In the back of this car.
What car?
This one.
827?
Yep.
Why?
Look, hell, there's a lot of space in there. Because you're under arrest.
Why am I under arrest?
Trespass after warning.
A warning?
Yep. We just gave you plenty. Sit down, please.
A warning?
Sit down, please.
Oh, okay.
So you're pulling away from me?
Yeah.
Okay. Come back out here. Stop.
Stop what?
Now you get a resisting charge. Congrats, you win.
Okay.
Drum right, come back outside, please.
Oh, give me a second.
Thank you.
Over and out.
Oh my god. What'd she do?
Kicked herself off and then pulled away, and then
Too easy.
yeah. So now she gets obstruction.
Yep.
Let's try again.
Okay. Okay, you want to try?
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, hold her right there. Hold on. Just hold her. Hold on. I got something else.
Okay.
You're going.
Stop. This is so stupid.
Stop what? Stop what? Ow, you're hurting me. Ow.
Stop. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We can sit her in the car now.
Climb up in there, boys. Thank you.
Whatever she took is next level. She says she does drugs sometimes.
She's buckled in.
Thank you.
Yeah, you save passenger.
Huh? Yeah.
You're a front seat.
Yeah. Front passenger. Thanks, dude.
Did she just kick off or start pressing it?
Oh no, she was swinging and then kicked her feet, and then kicked back off, and then pulled away.
Too easy.
So I just
Yeah, let me
put her on the ground.
I know that. I know you well enough to know that voice, dude. And when I hear it, I'm coming.
Well, so that's because she's on the ground. I don't want to be out here by myself with her acting like that. That's all.
No, I know that. I
Yeah.
need help for get here now, boys.
Yeah. No, this should be real simple. I mean, she trespassed after warning and now obstruction. She was inside there. I guess she tried to steal
Dentures?
maybe the tip jar. It's the Chin's Gourmet.
Oh, okay.
Told her to leave. Business owner told her to leave. She didn't listen. Okay, you're under arrest. She dropped her weight, kind of carried her out here, whatever, not a big deal.
Yeah.
Just I might need some help positioning her the right way. Stop. Stop. The next step is I pepper spray you. So stop. She's kicking now.
Hey, do you want me to do the trespass one or you just do the obstruction charge?
Yeah.
Huh?
Please.
No.
She didn't have one.
Actually, it's not gonna be a warning, right? Or
No. Well, still, yeah. You
Still
do a warning.
and then you'll just add a case number and arrest on the warning,
Yep.
and then. Okay. All right, let me move back and stuff. Here's your ID back. I'm gonna get a case card for you with the trespass warning number in case she ever comes back. And she'll be arrested on site.
Yeah.
Okay?
She's buckled.
You can give me your social. Whatever's easiest.
You already know what it is.
No, I don't. I have no clue who you are.
Okay.
So, which way are we gonna do this?
What do you mean?
Are you gonna give me your social, or am I gonna fingerprint scanner
Hold on,
you?
you said Brittany? What's your name?
Carly?
Carly? C-A-R-L-E-Y?
Nope.
How you spell it?
Karlee.
K-A-R-L-E? E?
E, 2 E's.
Okay. All right, Carly. What's your last name? Belle Isle?
Figure it out.
Carly, what's your middle name? Thank you. What's your birthday? I'm trying to help you avoid getting another charge.
You already know what my birthday is.
I really don't. I've never seen you before in my life.
Alright.
What's your birthday? Come on now. Not gonna give it to me? You'll win in the staring contest, okay? I'm tired. I'll fully admit you'll win in the staring contest, okay?
Hey, it's not man.
Thank you.
Alright. So it's gonna be my name and ID number. That's the trespass warning number. You guys can call the non-emergency line right here.
But what about next time she come back?
Next time she comes back, as soon as she comes back, give us a call. She'll be arrested. She can't come back here. She's trespassed for a year.
Okay.
So up until July 20th of next year, anytime she comes back here, she'll be arrested.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you for your help. In fact, that water is okay, but she looked so mean, so rude, so I'm not happy I can do it.
Yeah. No, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep.
You can ask me, I'm thirsty, I don't have money, you please about it's okay, no problem. But he looks so crazy.
Listen, it's okay. Listen. You're a business owner. You can refuse service to whoever the fuck you want to. Period. You ain't gotta get no reason, no excuse. No, you not spending no money. Get the fuck out. Period. That's the end of the story.
Yeah, no, I understand
We are
completely.
not happy.
Could you just 75 me her deal number?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You sure that's her? Because I'm pretty sure that's her.
Yeah,
That's her older.
that's her, the older picture. Drugs kill.
Facts.
She's already in there now. What are you doing? What? I couldn't hear you. Stop. We're going to jail. Huh? Port Manatee. Manatee County Jail. Have you been to jail before? No? Well, this will be new. All you had to do was leave. All you had to do was leave.
The suspect was charged with trespassing and resisting an officer without violence. The suspect was issued a $1,000 bond. In court, she later entered a plea of not guilty and requested a jury trial. At this time, the court case is still ongoing.
Requested a jury trial. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So the photo that popped up was probably an older photo of her. You know, where she was probably younger, more vibrant, you know what I mean? Skin glowing. Now she, you know, them drugs, she hooked on them drugs. Probably looking a little run down these days, you know? If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.